Hello everyone. Let us discuss about Aphorism 34 and 35 today. So here Hahnemann tells us about how cure takes place. How to cure natural disease, medicine should be capable of producing artificial disease as similar as possible to the existing disease. Okay. So now we want to cure one disease. So as to cure that disease, you have to have a similar artificial disease, and that should be exactly similar to the disease what is already present in the person. And second condition is it should be of greater strength. You cannot give some medicine which is artificial disease which is of weaker strength. Nothing will happen. You have to have a medicine which is of a greater strength. So next is Hahnemann says here, then the artificial disease which is increased power. What actually happens when you are given artificial similar disease, that gets transformed into the morbid state, because already person is suffering from the disease, natural disease, and you are giving one more disease which is very much similar to it. So vital force receives it acts on instinct. It does not have any memory as such. Okay, so because of that you have even supplemented the disease which is exactly similar, and at the same time it is of a stronger strength. So what happens is vital force gets attached to the disease which is stronger in nature. Because of that, the natural disease gets vanished. This tells us that nature itself can never cure itself by introducing artificial dissimilar diseases. That means allopathic drugs are given on the basis of dissimilarity. There is no principle as such. During Hahnemann's time, the allopathy which was going on had no principle as such. It was a heteropathic science, right? So because of that, he says here is also the drugs which are dissimilar to the natural disease will not cure it. So as natural dissimilar disease cannot cure, exactly like that artificial dissimilar diseases means allopathic medicines cannot cure the disease. Okay. So let's go to next aphorism. Here, so as to substantiate this statement cannot cure, we should examine it through different cases. Hahnemann has gone through lot of authors who were doctors, who have noted down in their notes regarding the natural diseases, natural dissimilar diseases which they have come through, and they have written notes on it, what actually happens when they have noticed these things, right? So through that he has separated that what happens when two dissimilar diseases meet in the body. He has studied lot of things, lot of authors, and then he has come to some conclusion which he would like to tell us in next aphorisms. Actually, he applied it to the allopathic medicine. So what happens when allopathic medicines are given when the patient is suffering from the disease? Okay, because even allopathy is a dissimilar disease. He comes to the conclusion that however strong may be the dissimilar disease, it will not be able to cure. Thank you. Till then, let us see what happens when two dissimilar diseases meet in the body in the upcoming aphorisms. And he gives us a lot of analytical view of many authors and how logically he is coming to the conclusion of whatever conclusion he has coming to. So let us see in the next aphorisms. Thank you.